What is up, guys? Welcome back to Board Crypto. Welcome to this new video on Aptos. Today we are going to be checking out the news regarding this token, the possible prices that we can see in the next years or months, and overall an amazing opportunity that I think you guys are going to appreciate. So let's get straight into it, guys. As you can see, Aptos has jumped 8% in the past 24 hours with a trading volume of $436 million. Moreover, it has surged 40% during the past month, highlighting the increasing adoption of it among investors. And here we can see two very interesting things. First thing, the uptrend channel that we can see right here, marked by these two lines, which is obvious. And the other thing is the EMA cross. So we can see that the 50 and 200 day moving averages have crossed right here, which is always a very interesting moment, and it might signal that there is a lot of buying pressure about to enter Aptos. Here we can see in my trading view the uptrend and also the EMA cross for the 50 and the 200 day. So this is truly an important moment for Aptos. You can see that the all-time highs for this year were right here in March at almost $20, and honestly, guys, I think this is one of the best moments for Aptos, and I truly believe that we can get at least back to these levels. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my strategy to maximize profits for this possible uptrend. So MEXC is having an event and we're going to be using it to our advantage. As you can see, there is 3 events in one, let's say. First off, we can see that there is 0% fees for spot trading, which is something that is already an advantage over a lot of big centralized exchanges. Second of all, we have staking up to 20% APR. All users can enjoy 10%, while new users can enjoy exclusive 20% APR for exceptional returns. And I highly encourage you guys to sign up using my link in the description below. I'm going to be making money, but you are also going to be making money. My referral link has a 20% referral sharing with you guys, which means everyone that sign up under my link is going to get 20% cut out of the 50% cut that I get. So I get 30% and you guys get 20% from all the fees generated. So if you have $1,000 in trading fees, you are going to be getting back $200 from those 1,000 that you have generated. So I highly encourage you guys to sign up using my link below. 20% rebate for all of you guys. And lastly, the best opportunity in my opinion is the 200,000 USDT price pool for futures. So again, if you think that Aptos might go up, it might be an interesting idea to use leverage. Don't go crazy with the leverage. Don't go 200x leverage maybe, but it might be a good idea to get some of that leverage in to maximize your profits. So right here, you can see more details if you want. You have to get to a determined trading volume. So in this case, it's going to be at least 10,000 in trading volume, which doesn't mean that you need to invest 10K. Obviously, as you guys know, the trading volume is not the same as your investment. You find that it's not actually that hard to get to $10,000 in trading volume. So I definitely think this is the best option, guys. I highly encourage you guys to get into this competition, at least have 10K trading volume, and you'll be able to enter the draw for this 200,000 USDT price pool. It's obviously going to be distributed in different ways. So there's different tiers or rankings. It depends on your volume, etc. But I think that you guys are going to find it interesting, and it's an extra way to make some money apart from the principal way, using their low fees and just making sure that we are getting the most out of this bull market, whether it's on Aptos or in different tokens. I truly think that Aptos is in a very good moment for you guys. That's why I'm sharing this video. It's my opinion, as always. It's not financial advice. And I'm going to be trading Aptos. I'm going to be using some leverage. I don't know how much, but I'm definitely going to be investing some of my capital here. So I'm going to be doing it right now. In my case, I'm going to go into futures trading right here. You can see right here where we are with Aptos, and I have an indicator here, which is the moving average. I'm going to just remove it for the sake of the video. So I definitely think this is a good moment for Aptos. Again, we can see that there is some consolidation. We are in the 1-minute chart. Let's go into the 15-minute here. So as I mentioned before, there is a really strong consolidation right here. So you can see right here, there's a lot of buying pressure. We broke through this resistance and we are currently standing strong, and it's looking nice. Maybe we go back to test these levels. So don't over leverage as always. But anyways, guys, I think this is a really good opportunity. If we see Trump being elected as president, this will skyrocket Bitcoin. And as always, this will be amplified to all the altcoins. Liquidity will start expanding, and Aptos is currently sitting at the 19th biggest crypto out there. So this will obviously impact the price. So that's pretty much it, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Crypto is obviously very volatile and anything can happen, but that's my view on it. Again, the elections go as I think that they are going to go. This might be a huge pump for this token. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Take care. Always do your own research and just make sure to get some gains in the upcoming months. See you.